Hi, may I know your name?
Yeah, my name is 𝐂𝐭𝐿.
Shagun.
Yes.
So Shagun, how was your overall experience here at Level Up?
So good. Like I can't tell you in words. I
And
can explain the thing.
What would you say about the GS Foundation course overall, matlab, in general? How has it helped you?
Overall, it's worth the money. Like we
Okay.
have paid. Even like the last year only, I was talking to my parents, and my parents were like, "Your class is still going on because current affairs program is free with the GS this year."
Okay.
So I was like, "Yeah, 50,000 में कितना पढ़ाएंगे?" So it is worth the money. Like it's worth every penny.
Great, great. And what would you say about the teachers? Like, were they approachable to you?
Yeah, they were so approachable. Like every teacher is approachable. We have everybody's number. We can directly contact them through messages also, and sometimes Anil sir also, like they coordinate between the teacher and the
आपने
students.
सबसे ज़्यादा किन को approach किया अपने
Nikhil sir a few times, and Santosh sir is very approachable. He is approachable in the class also. Like after the class, you can talk, and
Okay,
in
great.
general also from Monday through Thursday, he's like in the like from 5 to 10, he's there for
Great,
students.
great. And what was the role of mentors in this whole course?
Like I would say earlier I used to think that mentors will be like provided some people different from your faculty, but the good part about mentorship here is that the teachers also, like the same teacher who taught you in the GM's foundation, they are also your mentors, so it is more helpful because they know you in person also.
Right.
They're in touch, like the whole year we were in touch with the faculty, so this is a good part I would say, because faculty don't pay this much attention towards like a person like तो आपके पर्सनल उस पे नहीं इतना वो करते हैं.
और नोट्स और हैंडआउट्स के बारे में आप क्या बोलेंगे? कितना आपको हेल्प किया है नोट्स ने और कितना आपको आपके एफर्ट्स को थोड़ा कम किया है?
Okay, so ma'am, I would say they were different teachers in the foundation. Some were who believe in dictating the things and making us note. Like geography, the teacher, she used to dictate everything. Vishal sir dictates a lot. Like for 2.5 hours, he'll be dictating. Yeah,
Okay.
you have to write all the things. And some teachers like Santosh sir, they give handout. Nikhil sir give handouts. The quality of handouts is like really up to the par. There is no book in the market which can compete with these handouts because they are very comprehensive, as well as like they're very comprehensive in the say that static part is like combined with the current affairs part. So this is so helpful. Nikhil sir gives snippets of newspapers, and he used to put a lot of pictures in the handout which make them more interactive, and it is good to revise, and tables and everything. So it is so good.
Nice, nice. So what about the online and offline thing which is there? Like you can access the online classes live also.
Most
So
of the time
what was your
I
experience?
offline only because I was in the class only. But sometimes you miss the class, so there is a leverage of that thing also, that in such a small amount of money you are giving online also, offline also, and that too recorded also. If you skip the class altogether, then you'll have like recorded lectures. So this is so good, and you can see twice. Like I had a few doubts in geography, so instead of calling the teacher all the time and nagging, you can better see you can just go to your portal and see that topic again. You can watch the video again, and this is so good. So
basically it
is
was
convenient.
worth
Yeah.
it was worth the money that you've
It's
paid.
like worth every penny, I would say. Like in 50,000, nobody's providing you this kind of facilities.
Great, great. So I wish you good luck
Thank
for
you
your
so
exam.
much.
Thank you.